How do you draw a symmetrical object without using Photoshop, a computer, or any electronic device, using only a pencil and paper? Today, on What's Tim Doing This Week, I'll show you a handy little gadget that I made just for that problem. This. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Tim Larsen, the comic book artist, co-writer, and creator of Mayfield 8, my 6-part, action-filled Grind-House set in the 1970s throwback comic book where you can read the first part free by subscribing to my newsletter, subscribe.timsnotebook.com. Okay, way back in the day, maybe 15 years ago or so, I made comics that looked a lot different than now. My headspace was way into fantasy and sword and sorcery stuff. My comics had these very intricate borders, and I drew and inked them by hand. So drawing the left side was okay, but then I wanted to draw a mirror reflection of that border on the other side. What I do is mark out a few reference points. The border design has to hit on the other side for the symmetry to line up. Looking through the clear plastic, I was able to see just enough line to trace from. You can use this tool for any reflection, up, down, right, left, supposing you have a character looking in a mirror, or standing over a pool of still water. The way you make it is to talk to a friend that has a lot of plastic scrap, as in plexiglass, a picture frame shop worker, hardware store, window repair, you get the idea. Have them cut out a semicircle with right angles, like my example. Then tape a piece of board like foam core, again, frame shop buddy. You should be able to make this fairly easy on your first try. You can also tape down the board edge or shim it up if need be. Just make sure that the reflection is in the right spot. Here's a few examples of my finished penciled edges and some inked ones as well. I didn't need the tool again for the inking, obviously, as I already had the lines penciled in. Thank you very much for watching. It's real fun sharing some of my workarounds and tools I've come across in my quest to solve comic book problems. I hope I've been somewhat helpful for you as you continue on your journey making better and better comics. Remember to subscribe to this channel to get all the latest techniques, methods, and practices I've developed in making comics. A lot of them, like this, using no extra computer software, keeping it all physical. Remember to hit the like button to drive the level of awareness for What's Tim Doing This Week up. Go to my site, timsnotebook.com, to see my work, and subscribe.timsnotebook.com to receive my newsletter. Thank you for your time, and keep making great comics.